Did you know that choosing the right boiler can significantly reduce your industrial heating costs? The average cost of installing a steam boiler is approximately $6,590. But depending on your specific needs, this figure can fluctuate between $3,400 and $9,500. This detailed guide aims to analyze the various factors affecting boiler prices and present boiler price details in a transparent manner to help you select the most cost-effective solution for your industrial applications. Key factors influencing steam boiler prices include the quality of raw materials, the stringency of design standards, and the precision of manufacturing processes. All of these directly relate to initial costs and the overall lifespan of the system. Steam boiler costs, price range by type. Fuel type is a key factor in assessing the total cost of a steam boiler. It not only affects the initial purchase price but also plays a decisive role in subsequent operating costs. Understanding these costs will help you choose the most suitable boiler type. Steam boiler costs categorized by size and capacity. The size and capacity of a boiler directly determine its price. Understanding the impact of these variables on cost will help you choose the equipment that best suits your steam needs. Generally speaking, larger capacity boilers offer better value for money because they can handle peak loads. Energy efficiency is a core metric for measuring boiler economics, closely related to both initial investment and ongoing operating costs. Average fuel utilization rate (AFU) reflects the rate at which fuel is converted into energy. According to Energy Star standards, high-efficiency models can save up to 30% on fuel, which is a significant advantage for energy-intensive industries. The installation cost of a steam boiler is typically higher than the cost of the equipment itself, which can significantly impact the total investment. These costs are influenced by a variety of factors. Statistics show that installation costs account for 20% to 30% of total expenditures, a figure that cannot be ignored. The total cost of ownership for steam boilers is far higher than their purchase price, with operating costs accounting for a significant portion. Understanding these long-term expenses helps businesses better manage their finances and avoid waste. According to Fenghui Boilers analysis, water treatment costs can account for 2% to 4% of operating costs, highlighting the necessity of comprehensive planning. Fuel, maintenance, and water treatment are major components of operating costs. Efficient operation can minimize costs and maximize profits. Fenghui's high-quality boilers and services help achieve this goal. As an expert, I recommend developing an annual maintenance plan to quantify cost savings. By carefully considering size matching, efficiency levels, and fuel compatibility, you can maximize your return on investment. Contact Fenghui Boiler today to streamline your purchasing process and help you find the system best suited to your needs.
跑者